Yeah, it's going now. Alright, who do we got in there still? We got 3 minutes. 67. 56 pounds. 67. We got 3 guys. 310 is 56 is going in. 1 dog. 57 just broke his flag. 57 is out. There goes 56. Change to the map.
They got stuck.
They're hung up on each other. 56 got hung up on the rear tire now. 310. Okay, we have red flag. We have a red flag over there. Looks like we're going to unhook them.
Yeah.
What it looks like we're going to trying to do this without causing any more damage to the car. But trying to get them unhooked so we can continue that.
More dirt. And they're really stuck good.
Yeah, they need to come out a bigger one. Like a real one.
In our little downtime, let's give a shout out to Community State Bank for all of your banking needs.
No, they gotta get on club. They can't. Stuck. No. They're trying to use the stick
We don't know what's going on yet. We're waiting to find out.
Oh, they might need to call it more.
Okay. There we go. We got them unhooked. Now we're going to let the 2 up this out to see who the winner is.
Now don't hit them in the same spot and get stuck again.
And they probably will.
That's right. They always rank the first and second place drivers, but you proceed to do it back without to see who's going to get it. flag, green flag. We have to get critical positioning as well. I have green flag, green flag.
And what'd he do?